In this video, we'll learn how to create a landing page using AI and Venturz. There are 3 ways to create a website. First, with pre-built no-code template. Second, with code. And third, with no code using AI. Let's get started. Create a landing page using pre-built templates. To get started, go to Pages and click the Create Page button. Let's begin with no-code templates. Choose any pre-built template that fits your business. Once you've selected one, click on it, and an option for AI will appear with a pre-added prompt. Now, just paste your custom prompt into the field, and the AI will automatically adjust the template to meet your needs. Once the page is created, the AI will send a message confirming that the new page has been added to your Pages section. Open the new page, and you'll see that you can easily customize it using our drag-and-drop builder. You have complete flexibility to adjust the layout, text, images, and more. This allows you to fully personalize the landing page to match your brand and business needs, with no coding required. Create a landing page using custom code. Click the Create Page button and select Custom AI Code. Once you've selected this option, the AI will appear with a pre-added prompt. Next, paste your custom prompt into the field, and the AI will start creating a custom-coded landing page. Once the page is created, the AI will send you a message and add the landing page to the Pages section. Click to open the newly created page, and you'll see the AI-generated landing page. The page will be automatically populated with the content you described in your prompt, and it will be formatted according to the AI's understanding of your needs. You can review the layout, design, and content to ensure everything is aligned with your business goals. To edit the page, click on the Code Preview button. This will allow you to view and make changes to the underlying code. With this option, you have full control over the structure, style, and functionality of the page. You can adjust the HTML, CSS, or JavaScript to fine-tune every aspect of the page, ensuring it aligns with your vision. Create a no-code landing page. Click the Create Page button and select Custom AI Code. Once you've selected this option, the AI will appear with a pre-added prompt. Now, remove the pre-added prompt and paste your custom prompt into the field. The AI will then start creating a no-code landing page. Once the page is created, the AI will send you a message and add the landing page to the Pages section. Open the new page, and you'll see that you can easily customize the no-code landing page using our drag-and-drop builder. You have full flexibility to adjust the layout, text size, fonts, headings, alignment, and more. You can also edit the image size and add images from our stock image library. All of these options give you complete control over your page's appearance, ensuring it looks exactly how you want it to. Finally, here is your no-code AI-generated landing page. The page is fully customized based on the prompt you provided, and it's ready to go live. You now have complete control to tweak the design, content, and layout as needed.